Hello guys, here one more time. Yes, your teacher. Well. Today we are going to continue working with the simple past, but this time, not anymore regular verbs. Now we are going to learn about the other type of verbs, and it's called irregular verbs. Yes, teacher, yes. Let's continue. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs have different what? Yes, have different forms in the simple past. Yes, that's the tricky thing about irregular verbs. It's not the same. Examples here. Wangari, remember about Wangari? The first African Nobel Peace Prize? Yes, she. Wangari won many awards for her work. Alright, and won, here is the verb, but verb is in the past. And teacher, but ed is not here. Ah, yes, because this is a irregular verb. And what is the simple verb? Is win. Okay, the simple tense is win. Win is the present and won is the past. Oh, that is irregular verb. Change. Perfect. Another example. She taught at several universities. She taught at several universities. Teacher, what's the meaning of taught? Alright, taught is a past verb. And the present verb, what is the present verb? Oh, that is the present tense. Teach. Teach present and taught past. She taught at several universities. In the past, obviously. So that is the key point. All right, that is the key point of irregular verb. Have a different form. Teach, present, a different form for taught. No add ed here. Okay, ed is for regular verbs, but this is irregular verbs. The word change. Okay, the word change. And here I have a list of some more common used verbs. Okay, for example, for be is an irregular verb. We use was and were, remember? Yes, change. Was or were, sorry. Another, this is a long, just a little long list. For example, break. Break is a very used verb. Break in the present, broke in the past. Another one, buy in the present, bought in the past. Come in the present, came in the past. Another one, for example, this one, keep in the present, kept in the past. Know, I know you in the present, I knew you in the past, knew. Or maybe make, I make a cake today. And the past is made. I made a cake yesterday morning or yesterday night or the last year. Time expressions, don't forget that. Another one, for example, this doesn't change. Put and put. Read. Hey, I read my book every day. And this teacher is the same. Yes, the same writing, but the pronunciation is different. Here is read and this is read. I read 5 books last year. All right, and the list continues with this. For example, do, the past did. Drink, I drink a cup of coffee today. I drink a cup of coffee now. Okay, and the past, drank. Drive, drove. Eat, ate. Another one, very used, find, found. Forget, forgot. Forget, forgot. Give, gave. Get, got. Go, very used word, very common verb. Go, went. Have, had. Another, run, the same pronunciation but different writing. See, so. Another one here. Swim, swam, take, took, teach. Remember teach? Yes, teach, taught, think, thought. And write, for example, wrote. Yes, this is just a little list of irregular verbs. Okay, it says, for example, here we have my friend buys a newspaper every day. My friend buys a newspaper every day. The present, okay, common situation. And the past would be my friend bought a newspaper yesterday. A time expression here. All right, now let's practice. Okay, let's practice. I have here some examples for you guys to realize how it changed. Okay, let me see. Let me look for that. That's it. Let's go there. No. Okay, we have 5 examples here. The last one I didn't highlight the verb, but no problem. Let's continue. He goes to bed early. The verb in the present. Now the verb in the past. He went to bed early. Now we don't eat onions. Here is we don't. And we don't is what? A positive or a negative? Teacher, is negative. Yes, it's negative. So we can say what? Remember that? The past of for the negative is didn't. We didn't eat onions. Teacher, I don't remember that. I don't know how to do it. Let's move into that, okay? Let's go to the negative part. Negative. Be careful, it says. Don't use did or didn't with the past tense form of the verb. Let's see an example here. We have, she didn't plant it. Error. Didn't is already informing that all the sentence is in the past. She didn't plant trees in the US. Okay, she didn't plant, only plant, not planted. So the verb here should be in the present because this already work for the past for all the sentence. Okay, another sentence here. That is the correct sentence. She didn't plant trees in the US. She didn't plant trees in the US. She planted trees in Kenya. That is the affirmative sentence. She planted. That is correct. She planted. Okay, she planted is correct. She didn't plant is correct, but she didn't plant it incorrect. Okay, let's continue with another example. Now with irregular verbs. She didn't went. She didn't went to England in 1966. Incorrect. When is in the past of go. Remember the past of go, went? Yes. Went is the past of go. Where is that? Let me see here. Go. Go, present, went, the past. Okay. So let's go with the we are there. She didn't. Incorrect. What is the correct sentence? She didn't go to England in 1966. She didn't go to England. Didn't go, the present here. Okay. And the affirmative? She went. Teacher, here we can use went. Yes. Why? Because it's affirmative and this is negative. She went back to Kenya in 1966. So that is the correct way for affirmative and the correct way for negative. This is incorrect. Remember that, please. Now let's continue with the exercises, with the examples here. So we have there the number 2, right? The number 2. and that is negative, and we change it to the past in negative also. Now let's go with a number 3. She forgets his name. And the past of forget, forgot. Teacher, but here is forgets, third person singular. In the present, but in the past it doesn't change. Okay, forgot. Change only the verb for forgot. She forgot his name. That's it. Now the next one, another negative. I don't come to class late. I don't come to class late. I don't. So in the past should be how? I, like here, I didn't. I didn't come to class late. I didn't come to class late. This is in the normal form, present. Present here, but didn't means that all the sentence is in the past. And the last one here, what is the verb here? The verb, he knows all the answers for the exam. He knows all the answers for the exams. The verb is knows. And the past for knows, what is the past of know? Let's go and search. What is the past of know is here. Let's see. I guess it doesn't. It's here. Here it is. Know, present, the past, knew. So, in the example, here should be, he knew all the answers for the exams. Okay, all the answers, it should be answers. Okay, answers here. He knew. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. Please don't forget to download the worksheet and paste it in your notebook. Alright? Thank you, guys. You're amazing. Bye bye.